3, 2, 1.
Oh, hi guys. Here I want to make cookies with mama. So I already put butter, sugar, oil, and eggs already. This is what it looks like right now. So let's make sure it already looks well. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna put this. It's called Ovaltine. So Mom said that I need to put it this only, but not the whole thing. So I'll pour it, but make sure you need to be very careful. Sorry, it's quite a bit. Okay. So yeah, I already done it. This is how high Mom said I can. So later we'll put some more ingredients and cook it so that it will work. Okay. For that we need to put it inside the bowl. And then we need to mix it well so that we can put more ingredients. Okay. So we need to stir this for a bit. If you wanna see this, let's do it. Sorry for the last part. So I'm gonna put a milk in here. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna need to put it, and then I'll show you how to mix it very well. I put the leftover milk inside it so that it will be a bit cooler. See this? It's just like an egg that I'm sure of.
Excuse me.
So my mom already filled this. It's called tolong, but I want to mostly call it cornstarch. I want to pour it in, but I don't know if it's gonna be the spoon. So I want to hold on. Okay, I have this. It's very soft and fluffy. I'm gonna put it down here. You need to do more of that. Gonna put more. It's going to put it more. I like how it's like it to soft. Okay, let's put another one. Okay, the last one. Thank you. It sometimes falls, so I just want to clean it when it falls sometimes. Put the baking powder. This red one is a spoon only, and the blue one is half spoon. We need to pour this one first. Every part of this, like this. And then I'm gonna put this one. Like this. and then put it in. So we need to mix it, and then the same thing I asked. So now we're gonna put 3 cups of chocolate chips. This one. If it's enough, I can do it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna do this strategy. It's a bit annoying with this more time. It's heavy too. I already put one. Let's put it. Take another one, Mom said, and then 2 more times. I hate how it said you need to put so much that it will surround every part of it. I hope it doesn't do it. Let's go. I hate this so much. So now we're already put it. So now we need to repeat this with this for 1 hour, so that and then you will see some parts that we will do it. I don't know how to do this. I'll show you on me. So now we're gonna put it in the fridge. So we will need to wait like 1 hour. We put it here, in here. One of them might not fit, but all of them can fit, guys. So we need to wait for 1 hour. So we already froze it for 1 hour plus any minute. So we need to put some of this in this tray so that we can bake it and make it work. I never do this in my life.
Okay. One by one. Okay. Take some more.
And then put it down. So I already put all of them. So I have the last now final one. So I'm afraid of it's not gonna do it. We have the other one is still baking, so we need to wait for an hour or something. So I'm just gonna wait here and doing some stuff. We need to put another one in there, but we already put the other one in there, so we need to wait for like 20 minutes more or 10 minutes more or less, so that I can bake this thing. The second one already got baked, so we need to bake the third one. So I want to try this.
Okay. Then close it first. Then turn. For how long?
15 minutes. We need to put this one in this one.
Okay.
Now
This
we
one
need-
already finished lah, already cooked lah. Like that.
So
Okay.
we try to use it with our own hands.
No, you use spoon. Use spoon. Okay, one. Okay.
So let's try one of this. Only one. Okay, so we're gonna eat the fruit with the one. How about I try this one first? Let's try it. Delicious. It's tasty too. So I like the taste and the cookie. So I wish you guys can try it. So like and subscribe and don't forget to watch the other videos like here or here. So goodbye guys. See you tomorrow or next week. Bye.